Hi guys, and welcome to another makeup tutorial. For today I'll be sharing with you guys my updated foundation routine featuring the Kat Von D Lock It foundation. I wear it in the shade Deep 78 Neutral. So to make this video short, I'll be doing my eyes off camera, but I'll be sure to upload the video on my Facebook page or on my Instagram or both, so that you guys can see. So without further ado guys, let's get into the video. For my foundation routine, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Lock It foundation. It's a full coverage foundation. It's not a foundation that I use every day, but it is my go-to when I have like a long day and I need something to cover up like dark spots and all that. So I wear it in the shade Deep Neutral, Deep 78 Neutral. A little goes a long way, and I suggest that if you're going to use this, that you build it up slowly by slowly, as opposed to putting on a lot of foundation and then struggling to blend it. To apply it, I'm going to switch between two brushes. One is the Sephora Pro buffing brush, and the other one is an e.l.f. Oops, it has stuff coming out. And the other one is an e.l.f. brush. So I rotate, or rather, I go back and forth between these two brushes. But before I put on my foundation, I prepare my skin. For my primer, I'll be going in with just a small dollop of Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer, and this is a Radiance Primer. I'll then go in with an NYX Pure Gold Illuminator, and I'll just put this on the highest point of my face and places just where I would like the light to hit. And blend this in with my hands. And for my foundation, I like to work from the center of my face going outward. So I like start here and then go. For my concealer, I'll be going in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I chose the color Caramel, which is slightly lighter than what I used to use, which was a Monday. So I'll just use this underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin. Using a damp beauty blender, I'll just blend everything in. I'm going to set all the areas that I highlighted using the, what is it called, the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'll still be using my damp beauty blender to do that. While that is setting, I'll go in with an NYX Wonder Stick to contour my face. So using the Maybelline Fit Me matte and polish powder, I'll just dust off the excess powder. For blush, I'll go in with MAC Sweet as Cocoa. To highlight my face, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in That Glow, and I'm going to mix golden bronze and just go over the high points of my cheek.
Una couple.
Thank you. For my lips, I'm going to use a combination of MAC's Red Cherry and Rihanna's Stunner Lip Paint in Uncensored. Now I'm going to use the infamous MAC Fix Plus to just set my face and dissolve all the powder that I have used. So this is the final look. As you can see, my routine is not very complicated. But my focus is usually my skin, because at the end of the day, if you do not take care of your skin, then it doesn't matter how much makeup you slap on your face. So if you liked this video, please subscribe, thumbs it up. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and on Instagram at It's Joy Quint. Until next time.